Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting every essential piece and confirming compatibility. This saves hours later. First, mount the CPU board to the chassis and loosely fit the motors so alignment stays flexible. Once done, position the battery and route power leads without final tightening. Make sure to apply a thin layer of thermal paste to the main IC and attach the heat spreader. Finally, connect the bench supply briefly to verify no shorts before proceeding to wiring and software flashing steps. Now you wire and integrate the complex middle components that determine function. Begin by permanently soldering the power rail, double-check polarity and secure with shrink tubing. Poor soldering leads to intermittent faults. Next, attach sensors and position them precisely to the alignment marks so readings are accurate, then test individually with the multimeter and sample code. Finally, flash the firmware via USB serial at 115,200 baud. Monitor the boot log and finish by calibrating and securing everything so the build is reliable. Run the auto-tune sequence for control loops, adjust gains until responses are smooth, then save the active profile to onboard flash. After calibration, seal the enclosure with the gasket and torque screws to specified values while keeping vents clear. If the unit fails to boot, focus on one key check. Measure the 3V regulator output and reflow any suspect solder joints. Often a cold joint causes complete non-boot behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.